it's me, Trisha. Thanks for joining me on Creative Unique Treasures. I'm going to go about showing you my haul that I've got from the thrift store. And the reason I got this haul is I have a booth at the Vintage Farmhouse in Holly, Michigan. And I'm going to, in a few months, May 3rd and 4th, I will be at the Davisburg Antique Collectibles Festival. And that's in Davisburg, Michigan. And so I have to start collecting all my stuff and start painting and getting it all ready for my space. I have a 15 by 30 space. So I wanted to show you what I'm going to be doing. And I wanted to show you what I paid for and what I was going to do to the item. I paid $1 for just for this black star. It's just a metal black star. And I've got some more stars. I paid $2 for this at the thrift store. I don't know if I'll be painting that or just cleaning it up. All this stuff needs to be cleaned. Everything I got here was half off. So it says $1.99, so I got this for $1. I'll probably be putting a transfer and painting this white maybe, and then bringing back the black. I got this big fork and spoon, and I think I'm going to go, instead it's black, I think I'm going to dry brush it, put some white on it, and bring in some white, and bring in the detail. So the big fork, this is the fork, this is the spoon. All right. Jeez, how many times can you say fork and spoon? And I got a bunch of rolling pins, and I really got a good deal. I paid half off $1.51, so it was 76 cents for all my rolling pins. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 6 altogether. They're really cool. They're old. I was very excited to get them, a hold of them. They really go really good in my booth. If you paint the handles or if you just want to clean them up, I think I'll just probably clean them up. Maybe I'll decoupage a few of them. I got this tray for, well, see, it says $4.54, so $2.25, $2.26, and it's copper, and it's got the rope handles. I got this, the cup holder, and I'm going to paint this white, so that I tried to see if it would stick, the chalk paint would stick, and it sticks really well. I got this lamp, and it works wonderful. It's a horse, but I have to do something with the lampshade. I'm going to decoupage it or paint it, because it doesn't have the best odor. And it's very dirty, and it has one little hole right here. It has one little hole right there. So I got this like an organizer, and I paid, well, it says $1.99, so it was $1. And I want to paint this all up, all this right here. I'm going to paint this either black or just a pretty color, and maybe put a transfer on it. But it has this you know, outdated, I don't know, I don't think it's decoupage paper. It might be, but I don't think it is. I got these flowers, metal flowers, and these were $1.75. I like them. I like metal. Jeff does a lot of metal art. A blue one and a green. I got this angel, goodness and mercy follow you here. And I paid $1 for this. It's got a lot of detail. Little plaque. I got 4 of these, the same. And I want to do some molds on here. I paid, well, $1.70, half of $1.71 is about $1.38. Or no, not even $1.38. Let's see, about 88 cents, I think. about that. So there's that. I'm trying to do my math here. So I got 4 of these, and I wanted to take some molds and put that around, and then paint the frame. So I'll be doing some of this on my channel if you want to follow along with me. I got this cool bird. I like bright things. I paid 50 cents for him, or 49 cents. He's really cool. I just like him. And I got this sewing box, and I paid $5 for this. It's brand new pretty much. It's never been used. He has the pin cushion and the little pocket there. I think I'm going to paint around this, the wicker part. I've had this in my booth and it hasn't sold, so maybe I'll decorate it and maybe paint it like a green or a black. I'll see what we can do with that. I'm still thinking on that one. I got this birdhouse. I think this birdhouse is really cute. It was $3, $5.99 half off. Has a lot of detail. I'll take the flowers off, and I think I'll paint the trim and the roof black, so it'll be a black and white house. And it does have the door underneath for the bird's nest, so that's nice. I got my angels. I like angels. I paid $2.50 for these. I think these are beautiful. I might even keep them and put them in my bathroom. I think they're just beautiful. I think they're so pretty. I don't like all angels, but I like a lot, mostly a lot. These are, I think I need to add some white dry brushing to these because they're kind of like a black wax on top of the teal. And I paid 50 cents each on these ones. I paid $1.25 for this angel, and I'll be painting it probably a teal and put some copper on it. I just got this little, I paid about 72 cents for this. It's just a riser. You can put an angel on it or a candlestick. I'll probably paint that up. I got this, and I won't be doing nothing to this. I guess this is a bank. I didn't realize that until I got it home, but it has this slot in there for the bank to put your money in there, and so you can see the money, you know, gradually growing up. I thought it was really pretty. I like the green, and it says thankful, grateful, and blessed. I thought that turned out was really nice. It says $4.99, so I paid $2.50 for it. I got these 2 baskets. They were stuck together. They're $4.99 for the 2 of them. And so I paid $2.50 for both of them. So $1.25 each. And I think they have a kind of like an apple right here. But I like the chicken wire. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. Maybe I'll just add some greenery or just something. I don't know. I think I'll put that over there. I wanted Jeff to cut me out some bunnies, and this is a kind of a neat little story. And I ended up getting these 2 bunnies for $1 each. So they're just some cutouts. I've been seeing different things for Easter, so I think these are real cute. You can paint them up and dry brush them, and then add some jute. And that's what I plan on doing with these 2. My phone is ringing. It'll be all right. I'll get back to them. I'm filming. Okay, so I got this pig. He's really cute. I didn't get him half off. He was $2.99, but I loved him. He's 2 boards. I don't know if you can see that, but there's 2 boards put together, and I just think he's so cute. I won't be doing nothing to him, so I won't have to spend no time with him. I got this angel. She was $1.21, so she's half off of that. So she was about 61 cents, 62 cents. She's real cute. She's got metal wings and some jute. And I won't be doing nothing to her either. So she's all set. I got this metal birdhouse. And it's got the, what is that, the weather vane? Or the north, south, east, and west, and the bird. And it's got this to hang it up. It's real cute. You can put a tiki, it's dirty. I'll have to take it, clean it. You can put your little light in there. So that'd be really cute in the dark, you know, as it's getting dark outside. Got that. Lay it down gently. I just got this big candlestick, and this was half off of $2.50, so $1.25. It's just a big. I'll be painting that. You can use them as risers, or just as, you know, put a candle on top of it. I got these, and if you remember in the beginning, there's the yellow. Here's the pink and a darker pink. And I paid $1.21, half off of that. It was 62 cents or whatever. I think it was about 62 cents. And these go really good with the other metal flowers that I've got. So I love them. I got these two for $1. Choose Joy. I won't be doing nothing. A lot of people like to buy these for my booth in Holly, Michigan, and I got this one for $1. Simply Blessed. I won't be doing nothing. I mean, I can put these in there. I paid $1. I put it in there for $5.95, and people buy it, and so I made just a little bit of money, you know. It kind of pretty much paid for my gas, or, you know, or me picking it up. I got this metal basket. I love metal because Jeff does a lot of things with metal. He builds a lot, and if you want to check out my channel, he'll be doing a lot more metal art for the festival, so that'll be on my channel. I paid $2.50 for this. You can put planters with little greenery in there. I mean, it's very easy to decorate on a little planter like that. I have this tray here, and it's just, it's very lightweight, but I bought this paper here that I want to decoupage on the bottom. So that's what I'll be doing on this one, on the tray. Jeff makes a lot of trays too. I have this very loud cross. I love crosses too. I paid $1.25 for this. And it's just very loud. I'll have to tone it down. I do love teal, but I don't know if I like this color teal. Now maybe if it had copper or gold, probably copper would go okay with this, but I'll probably paint it black or white, or probably white, and do something with it. Sometimes I have to look at a piece and try to decide. And the last but not least, I have I do have this little, I paid 25 cents for this. I like to paint, like I said, I like metal. I like to paint it up, and I can paint it up and make it pretty. I like to collect these tiles, and I didn't pay $12.99. I paid up like $2 for them. These two are very heavy. I like to paint these and then dry brush white over them. They sell really fast in my booth. And then I have, sorry for the banging, I have all these right here that I got from this haul too. Sorry. But there's two of the yellow. I paid $2.25 for each one. There's two of the yellow and two of the green. So there we go. I want to thank you so much for joining me. Try not to crash these all over here. I painted all these crates here behind me. Painted them all white. I bought 10 of them, and I did that last night for my the show. These are really nice to put things in. You know, like you can, like here we go. Let's see. We'll put the, you know, to stage your stuff. You know, you can put your stuff in there, and let's see. We'll put. There's the angel. You know, and the pig. Here's the pig. And here's these weird dark colored angels there. You know, just little things. You can put, you know, then you can put stuff like that. I like to try to mess around, and different levels helps out. So yeah, there's my haul. And I hope you all have a blessed and wonderful evening or morning or day, whatever it is where you're at. I want to thank you so much for joining me, and stay tuned, and let's do some projects together. Let's have some fun together. And thanks for leaving me a comment and watching the videos. It's so wonderful, all your comments. Everyone's so kind to me. And I hope that you have a wonderful day. I hope that you're blessed, and that God is so good to us. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.